Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the UI UX design. Let's get started. You can see in this picture, I have shown you about the design for website, and the point of this design, you have to make sure your visitor feeling good for your website or application or your design software. And in here there are two main focus. UI, it means user interface, and UX, it means user experience. UI UX design plays a vital role in creating digital products such as website like this. You can see in this picture, application and software. User interface or UI focuses on the visual and interactive elements, how the product looks and how user interact with it. On the other hand, user experience or UX is about the overall journey of the user, how easy, efficient, and enjoyable it is to use the product. A good UI ensures that a product is aesthetically appealing and consistent, while a good UX ensures that it is useful, accessible, and satisfying. Together, UI and UX create seamless digital experiences that not only attract users but also keep them engaged. You can see in this picture the interface of the website. There are many elements. You can see in here header section. It is header section. You can see logo, navigation menu, and sign up button. Okay, contains a logo placeholder on the left position and simple navigation menu with menu item you can see in here, and a sign button on the right side acting as a call to action or CTA. Next, in the body you can see hero section main or main highlight. All of this as a part of body your website, and in the footer is also any footer, but in here I didn't draw okay, and in this case I just show you the header section and the body section. For footer I didn't draw for you. Okay, for body section, any main highlight, key features, and testimonial section. Okay, Hero section or main highlight, large heading, UI UX design, short paragraph with placeholder text. You can see in here, lorem ipsum, describing the service or your concept, and a primary button, get started, to encourage user interaction. And beside this text, there is a placeholder image representing a hero visual or illustration. And for key feature section, subheading, UI UX design as main highlight, and for key feature as subheading, bullet point listing important features currently filled with placeholder text. And for the other subheading, you can see in here, testimonial section includes a user avatar placeholder, name or description area, and testimonial text in placeholder form. UI, I will give you the differences between UI and UX. UI, it means user interface. You can see in here, for example, your user see the design of your website. UI refers to the visual and interactive elements of a product, such as buttons, menus, color, typography, and layouts. You can see in here, buttons, colors maybe, and the point for color, you have to make it contrast, and it makes feeling good for your user. Typography, maybe you can use Arial or Times New Roman for your style font. And layout, the position like this, they are any left side and right side. It focuses on how the product looks and how user interact with it. Okay, example, you have a clean navigation bar, a bold sign up button, or well-structured form. And the goals of the UI, user interface, make the interface aesthetically pleasing, consistent, and easy to use. Okay, and for UX, user experience, UX is about overall experience and satisfaction a user has when interacting with a product or website. It focuses on usability, accessibility, efficiency, and emotional response. Example, how easy it is to find information on a website, how fast pages load, how smooth the checkout process is. And the goal for UX ensures the product is useful, usable, and enjoyable. Okay, and the summary for differences between UI and UX. UI is the look, UX is the feel. UI, visual design and interaction. You can see in here the interface of your website, and it is UI. For UX, feeling your user, how it works and how user experience it. Together, UI and UX create a product that is both beautiful and functional. I will give you some information about technical tips for good UI and UX design that can that you can apply in real projects. UI or user interface tips. Use a grid system helps keep layout consistent and balanced. Color theory. Choose a limited color palette, primary, secondary, accent, and use enough contrast for readability. Number 3. Typography hierarchy. Headings, subheadings, and body text should have clear differences in size and weight. Next, interactive feedback button should change state, hover, click, disable to show user their action works. Consistent iconography. Use one style of icon, outlined, filled, flat, throughout. Spacing and padding. Avoid clutter. Leave enough white space so elements breathe. Okay, all of these the tips for UI user interface. Next, the tips for UX user experience. Number 1, mobile first design. Start with small screens, then expand to desktop. Number 2, fast load time. Optimize images, lazy load, and reduce scripts. Target below 3 seconds. Navigation simplicity. Keep menus short, maximum 5 until 7 items, and add breadcrumbs for complex sites. Number 4, accessibility standard. ALT text for images, high contrast mode, keyboard navigation support. Number 5, usability testing. Test prototypes with real users before launch. Number 6, reduce cognitive load. Don't overwhelm user. Use progressive disclosure so details only when needed. I think enough for explanation about the UI and UX. I hope you understand for this explanation and the key point. It makes your user feeling good for your website, and if your customer feeling good to your website, make them reading long time in your website. Okay, and if your website provide the important information for your user, and then make many user visit to your website, and your website become popular in internet, and in SEO, search engine optimization, your website will be number 1. Okay, if you want to sell anything, so increase your selling. If your website in number 1 page on Google, many people see your website, visit to your website, and if you sell anything, product or services, make you can easy selling to them. I think enough for this explanation. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.